Right. This is Wes Martin, Vice President of Sales at ClearTouch Interactive, here to show you our new 6000K series panel. This is our new mainline, mainstream panel. It's the one that took the place of our best-selling U series panel for the last couple of years. So a couple of things I want to show to you on this panel is that, first of all, we have them in 3 different sizes. We have them in the 65, the 75, and the 86. And so what I've got here is my 75-inch model right back behind me. Couple of things that's pretty neat with this is that it has the 811 chipset. You're going to go, West, why is that important to me? Well, a couple of things. Right here on our Android, see if I can show you this. It's got Android 8.0. So you can already run all of the nice new security features as well as all the new apps, but it's also screaming fast. You can go in here, and with things like our collage application that comes with the panel, we can run things like your Chromebooks, your iOS, your Android, can run your PC, Mac, and can even do a lot of those with touch. So pretty cool. It can have up to 4 of those on the screen at the same time, streaming wirelessly back and forth with control from the teacher or the instructor. So a couple of other things is that we have integrated built-in whiteboarding ready to go with Canvas, same application that we use on PC and on the Mac. We also have our ClearTouch store. And we've got some really cool new features with our remote software, so I can come into our settings. You're going to love this, integrators. With this, you can go in and you can set up those remote settings in here with your school code or your site code and be able to control these panels from anywhere. So you've got full enterprise control of every single one of the panels already built in. Let's take a look over here on our side menus. You've got all the side menus that are ready and they're floating. And I can use this right away to be able to write, to go in and highlight, and I can also even send this with a QR code or back up to the cloud. So a lot of things are already built into the very powerful Android system, ready to go, whether you had any of the annotation software or not. So let's take a look over here on the side. I want to take a look at just how thin this is as well. So on this, we've got a very thin bezel on this, and we've also got the same use of some of the same integrated PCs and the Wi-Fi modules here with tons of connectivity on here. You'll see all the different HDMIs and the different USBs that you can connect to. We use a Samba service as well so that we can utilize any of the extra things like your cameras or document cameras or keyboards or mice or other things and be able to share those between the Android as well as the PC. One of the things that we've incorporated here that's been nice is that we've been able to still have our swipe up menu where I can go back and forth between my different settings. So I'm going over here to the integrated PC, and at this point now, you're going to see that it is noticeably faster with the annotation and the writing. It's one of those nice things with that 811 processor that we have on board that's the fastest on the market at the moment. So with this, if we just go into a quick annotation software, we can use our fingers or we can use pen. And what you'll notice here too, and just kind of bring this one in, is that we have a couple of different types of pens. So you have a thin pen like this, and then you also have some of the thicker pens like this, based on the application that you're trying to do. And so it makes that really easy to use on here and can also recognize different ones. Still does gesture recognition, so I can use my palm to erase. And we still have all of our award-winning software, things like the NuiTech Snowflake that come with this as well. So check this out at InfoComm 2019 as well as at getcleartouch.com.